Hi there. In this video, we will take you step by step through the MedAlly Diagnostix module. Let us move into the treatment implementations under Diagnostic Assessment. This section helps you understand the step-by-step implementation plan. Here you will find clearly defined steps presented in a structured and sequential format. These steps adjust automatically based on the structured clinical notes. You will see the following 4 elements for each step. Step details describe what needs to be done in that specific part of the treatment plan. Success metrics show the outcomes that indicate the step is working well. Failure metrics highlight signs that the step is not effective or needs adjustment. Next steps guide you on what to do after completing the current step based on the patient response. Treatment implementations provide a practical and organized approach to delivering care inside MedAlly.